Today, I'll show you how to reset your Agoda password. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can update your password quickly and confidently. Even though this is a simple task, I'll point out a few tips along the way to make sure everything goes smoothly and securely. First, you'll want to make sure you're already signed into your Agoda account. That's important because this method of changing your password works from inside your account settings. So open your browser, go to the Agoda website, and log in with your current details if you haven't done that yet. Once you're on the home page and you can see that you're signed in, you're ready to start. Next, look for your profile icon. This is usually found at the top right corner of the Agoda page. It might appear as a small person symbol, your initial, or a small profile picture if you've added one. Click on that profile icon to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can manage your personal information and account settings. Give the page a moment to load and then look around the different sections. On this profile page, you want to find the password section. It's typically grouped together with your basic account details, such as your name and email address. Look for a label that clearly mentions password. Once you found it, you should also see an edit or change option next to it. Click the edit button in the password section. This will open a small form where you can update your password. Depending on Agoda's current layout, you may be asked to confirm your existing password before you choose a new one. This is just a security measure to make sure it's really you making the change. Now carefully enter your new password. Take this moment to choose something that's strong and secure. A good password is usually a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and it avoids easy to guess information like your name or simple number sequences. Make sure you type it exactly as you want it, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If there's a confirmation field, enter the new password again to confirm it matches. When you're happy with your new password, click the Save button. The system will process your change, and in most cases, you'll see a brief confirmation message letting you know that your password has been updated successfully. If you see any error messages, double check that your new password meets the requirements shown on the screen, such as minimum length or character types. After saving, it's a good idea to log out and then log back in using your new password just to make sure everything works correctly. You may also want to update the password saved in your browser or password manager so you don't run into sign-in issues later. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Agoda password from within your profile settings.